They've been up playing that Bird Game 3 all night.
Man, this is like a special bird.
Hell yeah.
My boy going crazy. Look at him flying around.
Hey, that joint fast.
Bird Game 3. Yeah, it's AI. It's AI. Did you guys see that? Bird Game 3 is a meme.
What?
Bird Game 3 is a concept game that people put into AI to make it, you know, like make the game, I guess, and make cool, funny videos. And yeah, and skins in the game too, like dodos, hummingbirds, eagles. People don't like the hummingbird or the eagle because they say it's the easiest character in the game.
Bro, hummingbird is no skill.
Yo, shut up. You're just gonna abuse the backwards hummingbird glitch again.
Wait, what did he just? Oh my gosh, he has f***ing Quetzal.
Bro, that's rare.
How did you even unlock it?
Of course, it's not an actual game. It's AI videos. Remember that. Keep that in your head. Keep that in your head. Keep that in your head. People don't like the hummingbird because it's the easiest skin in the game. It's like Marvel Rivals, I think, or they're harder to control. Yeah. I'm thinking about what to say. What skins are you talking about, Ivan? What skins? Let me put them up. Hummingbird. It's hummingbird. It's the meme.
Who's your main bird in Bird Game 3?
So I've been going back and forth, but I'm pretty locked in on eagle right now.
Oh, bro, you would be an eagle user. That's like the default bird.
What's your bird?
Hummingbird.
That's the most no-skill bird.
Dude, it is not no skill. People are just mad they can't count.
I might go hummingbird, to be honest.
Bro, don't you dare. That's so lame.
Dude, no one wants a hummingbird main in here.
Trash pick.
Oh, look at me. I'm using hummingbird. My mommy still wipes my ass.
Facts.
This dude forgot to put what the actual game is about, and it's a fighting game. Just to let you know, it's a fighting game.
Hey, watch me clip this no-skill eagle.
The fuck you mean no-skill eagle? Brother, you use the hummingbird like a little fucking bitch that you are.
Bro, that is so cheap. You just spam text. Who even plays pigeon?
Easy claps, man. Get out of my game.
But because this is AI, people can't actually play it, you know?
What?
So people are trying to make a real Bird Game 3. Don't ask me where the Bird Game 2s or Bird Game 1s are. Alright, I don't know.
We're making a real Bird Game 3. Right now, we're finishing the first map and adding even more birds to the game. Very soon, the game will appear on Steam, and you'll be able to add it to your wishlist. But for now, you can already play the mobile version. It's available on Google Play, and the App Store version is coming soon. There, you can choose one of 7 different birds and battle players from all over the world in online matches. The link to the game is in my bio. Follow so you don't miss the updates.
It's this game where you play as birds and then you attack other birds. It's like Fortnite, I think. Put some video suggestions either in my Discord, which is linked in my channel bio, or in the link down below. You know, give me some suggestions on what memes I should do next. Maybe in the comments too. Like, hit that notification bell. Subscribe. Hit the dab. Yo, did you guys see that, bro? I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Peace. Hit that like and subscribe bell or something like that. Like maybe just subscribe and also like follow my TikTok or whatever. And like go on the Discord. But